Okay, let's go ahead and do the first problem. No, not the first problem, the fourth problem in the independent practice. First, I have to combine the left side, these two expressions. So I'm going to go ahead and find an LCM. X plus 1 appears the greatest number of times. Once is the greatest number of times that it appears. X plus 4, the greatest number of times it appears is once. So that's what I have. So I'm going to multiply the left by x plus 4 over x plus 4. So I have x times x plus 4. Over here I have x plus 1 and x plus 1. So I have negative 3x plus 1. Okay, that equals x plus 3 over x plus 4. Let's go ahead and distribute x squared plus 4x minus 3x minus 3. X plus 1 and x plus 4. That equals x plus 3 over x plus 4. Now let's go ahead and clean up that numerator. X squared plus the x minus 3, I have x plus 1 and x plus 4. Goes x plus 3 and x plus 4. Now I can cross multiply at this time, but I don't want to do that. It's going to be too messy. So I'm going to multiply both sides by the LCM. The total LCM is x plus 1 of the denominator and x plus 4. Multiply this by x plus 1 and x plus 4 over 1. That reduces down to 1, so I get x squared plus x minus 3 equals x plus 3 x plus 1. So I have x squared plus x minus 3. Let's go ahead and FOIL. X squared plus 4x plus 3. Okay, let's go ahead and move the one trinomial to the other side. So I have negative x squared minus x plus 3. And so I get 3x plus 6 equals 0. I'm going to go ahead and subtract 6 from both sides. So I get 3x equals negative 6. Divide both sides by 3. X equals negative 2. Okay, let's look at the restrictions. Stop writing. Let's go ahead and look at the restrictions. Over here, x cannot be negative 1, and x cannot be negative 4. X cannot be negative 4. So we see that x cannot be negative 2 is one of the answers. Well, let's go ahead and substitute and see if it works. Okay, so we have negative 2 over negative 2 plus 1 minus 3 over negative 2 plus 4 equals negative 2 plus 3 over negative 2 plus 4. So we have negative 2 over negative 1 minus, what is that? 3 over 2. This should equal 1 over 2. So 2 minus 3/2 should equal 1/2. And if I write this and multiply by 4, it's 4/2 minus 3/2 should equal 1/2, and it does equal 1/2. So that's my final answer. Okay, well, good job. It's very colorful and pretty.